Many young people dream of retiring by the age of 40, but is it really possible? Welcome to our guide on early retirement, where we explore how you can make this dream a reality. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy more time with loved ones. Early retirement is no longer just a fantasy. It's a growing ambition among young individuals in the USA. Recent studies show that a significant number of millennials are actively planning to retire early, seeking financial independence as a means to achieve it. But how can you turn this vision into a practical plan? In this video, we'll introduce you to effective strategies that can help you retire early. By focusing on the right investment approaches, smart budgeting, and robust savings plans, early retirement is not just achievable, it's within your grasp. Let's embark on this journey together, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to transform your financial future. Stay tuned as we delve into the specifics of financial independence, starting with the core principles that lay the foundation for retiring early. Imagine waking up each day without the need for an alarm clock, the freedom to pursue passions without financial constraints. This is the essence of financial independence, the cornerstone of early retirement. But what does financial independence truly mean? It's the state where your investments generate enough income to cover your living expenses, freeing you from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Achieving this requires more than just a healthy bank balance. It demands a mindset shift. You must embrace frugality, prioritize savings, and smartly invest your earnings. This mindset empowers you to live below your means while building a future where work becomes optional. The journey starts with understanding your finances intimately, knowing where every dollar goes, and making each one work towards your ultimate goal. Financial independence is not just about money, it's about creating a life of choice and opportunity. As we delve deeper into this video, we'll explore budgeting strategies and investment basics that pave the way to this freedom. So, stay tuned as we unpack the secrets to mastering your financial destiny and set the stage for an early retirement filled with possibilities. Imagine your budget as the blueprint for your financial future. Budgeting is more than just tracking expenses. It's about making your money work for you. The importance of budgeting cannot be overstated, especially if you're aiming for early retirement by 40. It's the cornerstone of financial independence, allowing you to allocate resources efficiently and prioritize savings and investments. To craft a successful budget, start by listing all your income sources and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds towards your retirement goals. Consider categorizing your spending to see exactly where your money goes each month. This clarity empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Harness the power of budgeting tools and apps that can simplify this process. These tools offer real-time insights into your spending habits, ensuring you stay on track. They also provide alerts and reminders, helping you maintain discipline over time. Remember, effective budgeting is not about deprivation, but about setting yourself up for future success. By mastering these strategies, you're not just managing your finances, you're paving the way to financial freedom. Next, we'll delve into investment basics, a critical step in accelerating your journey towards early retirement. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth, and understanding its basics is crucial for your financial journey. As we dive into the world of investing, let's explore what it means to invest wisely. At its core, investing involves allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating income or profit over time. But it's not just about where to put your money. It's about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. First, let's look at the types of investments available. You have stocks, which are shares in a company, bonds, representing loans to governments or corporations, and mutual funds, a collection of stocks and bonds managed by professionals. Each has its own risk and return potential. Risk management is a critical aspect of investing. It's about balancing potential losses with expected gains and understanding your risk tolerance. Diversifying your portfolio can help mitigate risks and maximize returns over time. Remember, investing wisely is about more than just returns. It's about accelerating your financial growth and setting the stage for early retirement. Next, we'll delve into advanced investment strategies to further enhance your financial journey. In the journey toward early retirement, maximizing your investments is a crucial step. This segment delves into advanced strategies that can significantly boost your returns. First, consider the power of diversification. By spreading your investments across different assets, you reduce risks and enhance potential gains. Next, weigh the benefits of long-term versus short-term investments. While short-term options might offer quick returns, long-term investments often provide more substantial growth through compound interest. Compound interest is a game changer, exponentially increasing your wealth over time. Understanding these concepts isn't just for seasoned investors. It's essential knowledge for anyone aiming to retire by 40. By applying these strategies, you can optimize your investment portfolio and move closer to financial independence. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you, setting a strong foundation for the future. In the next segment, we'll explore how building a robust savings plan complements these strategies, ensuring you have both security and flexibility on your path to early retirement. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions without the constraints of a traditional job. This is the power of a robust savings plan. Savings are not just a safeguard for the unexpected. They are a cornerstone of financial security and flexibility. By prioritizing savings, you can create a safety net that allows you to seize new opportunities, whether it's investing in a promising venture or taking a career break. High-yield savings accounts offer an excellent way to grow your money more effectively than traditional savings accounts, providing both security and a higher return on your deposits. But remember, the ultimate goal of saving is to build an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial cushion, protecting you from life's unpredictable challenges and giving you peace of mind. By integrating these strategies into your financial plan, you set the stage for achieving early retirement. It's not just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating a lifestyle that aligns with your dreams and values. Up next, we'll tackle the common financial obstacles many face on this journey and how you can overcome them to stay on track toward your goals. Everyone encounters financial hurdles on the path to early retirement. These obstacles can feel daunting, but they are not insurmountable. The first step is identifying the most common challenges young individuals face, such as managing student loans, balancing debt with savings, and the pressure of living expenses. But don't worry, each challenge presents an opportunity for growth. For instance, consider the power of creating a budget that prioritizes savings while still allowing room for enjoyment. Also, exploring investment opportunities can transform these financial roadblocks into stepping stones. Real-life examples of those who have overcome similar challenges can serve as a beacon of hope. Like Sarah, who turned her side hustle into a full-time income source, or Michael, who paid off his student loans by age 30 by following a strict repayment plan. Remember, overcoming these obstacles is an essential part of your journey to financial independence. Embrace each challenge with a solutions-focused mindset, and you'll find yourself on the right track towards retiring by 40. As we move forward, let's delve into stories of those who have already achieved this goal and learn from their experiences. Imagine waking up each day without the pressures of a 9-to-5 job. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many who've embraced early retirement. Today, we delve into the stories of those who've achieved this remarkable feat. From diverse backgrounds and different walks of life, these individuals have navigated the path to financial freedom with determination and foresight. Their journeys are filled with valuable lessons and insights that can inspire anyone considering a similar path. Take Emily, for instance. She began her journey with a clear vision and disciplined savings, ultimately creating a life she once only imagined. Or consider James, who leveraged smart investments and frugal living to retire by 38. These stories aren't just anecdotes, they are blueprints, providing practical advice for anyone aspiring to retire early. As you listen to their experiences, reflect on the possibilities for your own life. The common thread in these stories is not just financial acumen, but a mindset geared toward achieving independence. Let their successes motivate you to carve out your own path to early retirement. As we transition to actionable steps in our next segment, remember, it's never too early to start planning your journey. Ready to start your journey to early retirement? Here are the steps to take today. First, outline a clear plan. Begin by setting tangible goals and timelines. Break these goals into smaller, manageable tasks to maintain momentum and motivation. Next, emphasize the importance of starting early. The earlier you begin, the more time your investments have to grow and compound, leading to greater financial rewards down the road. Utilize tools and resources available online to track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Consider using budgeting apps, investment calculators, and financial planning software to keep you on course. Remember, taking action is the cornerstone of achieving early retirement. Every small step you take today brings you closer to financial independence. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Seize the opportunity now. As you embark on this exciting path, keep in mind that consistency and discipline are your allies. With dedication and the right strategies, early retirement is within your reach. Up next, let's summarize the key strategies and encourage you to take charge of your financial future in our concluding segment. As we draw to a close, let's reflect on the journey we've embarked upon. We've delved into strategies that pave the way to financial independence, from mastering budgeting to maximizing investments. Now, it's time to turn knowledge into action. Remember, your financial future is truly in your hands. Start planning today and let the dream of early retirement become your reality. Embrace the power of savings and investing wisely. Overcome the challenges that stand in your way and learn from the stories of those who have already walked this path successfully. It's about taking control and making informed decisions that align with your goals. So, are you ready to take charge? The steps are clear, the path is set. Begin today, because every moment counts in building the life you envision. Stay motivated, stay committed, and let your journey to early retirement inspire others. Your financial future awaits. Go out there and seize it. Make early retirement not just a possibility, but a plan in motion. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Until next time, keep striving for financial empowerment.